It's me again, Sarah from Templating.app, and this video gives you an overview of how to create your first issue template step by step using a blank template. So stay tuned and see how it works. Start creating your first template via apps and then click on Templating.app. Then click on the blue button. You will be redirected to our template library, which means you can choose between some existing or predefined issue templates that come as an example from us, or you can start using a blank template. And that is what we will do now. So click on blank template and then start configuring your issue template. You can change the icon, change the color, and then you have to pick a project where the issue template should be created for. So any template is linked to one specific project because we need to know the project configuration, for example, the issue types that are available, custom fields, assignable users, and so on. So there's no way to create a template for multiple projects. But stay tuned, I will link a video that shows you how you can use an issue template for another project than a default one. But let's start with this one here. So let's create an onboarding template. We will choose the human resource project. Here we will see a toggle that is called Visible in Global Library. If active, then this template will be visible in the overview. You can also deselect the toggle and then the issue template won't be displayed in the overview, but you can search for it via the search bar. Template name is Onboarding Guide. You can also add a subtitle and a description. Then click on Create. So the basics are now set. Now you can start using issue templates, or let's say now you can start adding issues to your issue template. So this is a screen where you can create your issue hierarchy and add the issue details. So let's start. I will now add some issues and we'll come back later. So let's take this list here as an example of an onboarding checklist for someone who starts at our marketing department. So we will have 2 epics, we have tasks, we have also tasks that are child tasks of our epics, and you can add more if necessary. You can also drag and drop issues to change the hierarchy. If you click on an issue type icon, you will see other issue types that are available within this project and can be used for the issue template. As you can see here, it says unsuitable issue template, unsuitable issue type subtask, because the subtask can't be on the top hierarchy level. But if you add a subtask for contact field good team, you will see that you can also add subtasks to your issue template. By clicking on this button, you can remove an issue. You can add issues using this button here or just click enter when you're configuring your list. If you click on an item, you will see a preview on the right side. And here you can start adding basic information to your issue template. So it's not just a summary, you can also add description, default assignee, reporter, labels, and many more fields depending on your issue type configuration. In case one configured field or custom field is not supported yet by Templating.app, you will see a blue panel at the bottom of the page that shows you a key that should be sent to us so we can check if a development of this custom field or field type in Jira is possible or not. But as you can see here, all configured fields and custom fields are supported by Templating.app, so there's nothing left for us to configure our template. So let's start and add some description. There's a default editor for the description field. So it looks like Jira, but it's only the basic stuff that is needed for creating a comprehensive description. So you can change the heading, make bold, add a bullet list and stuff like that, and also tables and panels. We will talk about the variables in another video. So let's move on with assignee. So the assignee for this epic should always be me. So as you can see, here's also the option for adding a variable, which we will talk about later. Same for reporter, you can change this one here, and labels. So let's add onboarding, welcome as our labels for this issue. You can choose a component, a priority, and everything else that is configured for the epic issue type in this project. You can also link issues to another issue. So for example, let's link the create welcome package epic to another issue that is part of the template. So let's say this one relates to another template issue. You can also choose existing issue and then search for another issue from the template that is available. So let's say the create welcome package is linked to a setup components page. Click on this button and then the link will be generated after applying the template. You can also add an existing issue, just search for it here and then click on link as well. So these links will be created when the template will be applied afterwards by a user. You can now work through all of the other issues that are part of the template and then just click save. So these are the basics for setting up a template. We will talk about variables and any other options in other videos.